Okay, so assalamu alaikum. We will start, inshallah, the training for the kangaroo for grade 9 and 10. And the objective, our target, our goal is not now to have the right answer directly for the question of kangaroo. No, it's about changing how we think about any question in mathematical questions, how we have the right answer. Sometimes if you have some mistakes, it's good for us because now we are in training session. The test, inshallah, will be on 5 March. We have 5 successively lesson, inshallah, from today till Thursday from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Also, inshallah, at school, we will do a training every day, of course, in the lesson of math, last 5 or 10 minutes. So we will start now by the first question. Yeah, I want someone to read the question. Okay. Jude, can you read the question? Okay, that's one. Okay. Yalla, so Rahaf.
Rahaf is forming the 4-digit number 2022 using some matches from a box.
From box. Okay. The first thing, Jude, we need when we read the question, we need to read one expression by one expression, one sentence by one sentence. So this is the first one. Okay. At the end of any points or any comma, okay, we need to think about this given. Okay. So here, what Rahaf want to forming the 4 digits of the number 2022 using what? Some matches from a box. Okay, so this is the first sentence. As I say, it's not about now directly say it's A, it's B, it's C. No, it's about how we can analyze the questions, how we can get to the right answer. Sometimes maybe we will solve Yajud by, for example, by justifying the choices. For example, we'll start by the for example, the choice A. Then we're going to move to B, then to C. Sometimes no. Sometimes we can solve directly the equation or the problem to find the answer. Sometimes we will say it will not be E, definitely. It will not be C, not be D. So maybe A or maybe B. This is the most important thing in our training. We will train to what? To have an answer by the best way. Choose the best method to find our answer. Okay, so yalla, continue, ya Jude.
The box originally contained 30 matches. She has. Oh, should we stop?
Yeah. She has.
She has already started and formed the first 2 digits.
Okay, so contain how many matches?
30.
Okay, and she has already started what and form?
2 digits.
Okay, the first 2 digits. Type. Yalla. Let's show the diagram.
How many matches will remain in the box when she has finished forming 2022?
Okay, exactly. So now we have 20. We need to continue this number 2022. I want to put here another 2. Okay, and of course another 2 here. Okay. I have how many matches, Yajud?
2022.
Yes, how many matches, not the number.
30 matches.
30 matches. Type. I don't want to know how many matches I will use. No. The question is about, Yajud, what? How many matches will remain in the box when I finish forming the number 2022? Okay?
Okay.
يلا. يلا, how start to find our answer. يلا, come on, Jude, we need to try at least, okay? So, let me help you. For example, for the number 2, how many matches do Rahaf did Rahaf use here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. 5. So 5 matches for the number 2. And how many matches for number 0?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, Jude, pay attention. This one is what? This one is what, yeah, Jude?
The number of matches.
Exactly, but this one is called one match. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for only one number 2, how many matches should I use?
5.
5. How many 2 do I have in the number 2022?
1.
No, pay attention. This is the first 2. And I already use how many matches?
5.
Okay, so this is another 2 and another 2. So I have 5 for the first 2, 5 for the second 2, 5 for the third 2. So how many matches do I have? How many, Yajud? 15. Okay? Now, I want to count the number of matches for number 0. Yalla, this is the number 1. Let's use another color. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so for the number 0, how many matches did I use?
6.
Okay, so 15 for the 3, 2, and 6 for what? For the number 0.
Yeah.
Okay, type 15 plus 6 equals to what?
21.
21. Type, great. So I use, how many matches did I use? How many matches did I use, yeah, Jude?
21.
21. Type. Does 21 appear in our choices here?
No.
No. Type. There is a mistake in the question or what?
We made a mistake.
No, we did not. Read the questions. When I say read the questions, Yajud, it means the last sentence in the question, in the given. Okay? So the question starts by what? By how many? How many what, Yajud? Read the questions.
How many matches will remain?
Okay. How many matches will what?
Remain.
Remain, not use. So I have 30 matches now. 30.
Also, we will do 30 minus 21.
Excellent. So this is 30. This is the number of matches. Then this is the number that I use. So how many matches will remain for me? It's 30 minus 21. And the answer will be equal to what, Yajud?
9.
90. Excellent, Yajud. So Jude, so our answer is D. It's not about now if you know the answer, if you know the method. No. here we are to learn how we solve, how we get in the simplest method to find our answer. Because the competition of kangaroo, different level, there is a different level, for example, at the exam or midterm or any pop quiz or any test. Okay, so we need to what? We need to have always the right method to find our answer. Okay, Jude?
Okay.
Okay.
Assalamu
Any
alaikum.
questions? Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Any questions?
No, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, the next one. I want to move this from here. Okay. Next. Yeah. طيب. رغد.
Yes.
يلا. رغد, this question. Okay. Yeah.
I read.
Yes. Please.
An equilateral triangle of side 12 cm has the same perimeter as a square of side x. What's the value of x?
Okay. Yeah. So the given here, it's about only two expression, two sentences. The given and the question. The question is, what is the value of x? Okay, so let's start by the given. Let's start by the first part, an equilateral triangle of side 12 what? Centimeter. Okay, type. Of course, when we read any expression, any question, if we have any new definition, new word, or new property, we will explain everything about it. Okay, so what does mean equilateral triangle, ya Ragad? Do you know?
All sides are equal.
Okay, excellent. So we have three equal sides. For example, this is equilateral triangle. Okay, the side is equal to what?
12.
12. So it's 12 centimeter. Have the same perimeter as what?
Square.
Square. What does mean square?
Square.
Square. Definition of square. Properties of square, for example. 4 what? 4 equal sides plus 4 right angle. Okay? Or what? If I say what does mean anything, okay? I mean you need to what? To give me the definition. At least the property, for example. So if I say give me the definition of a square is a quadrilateral. What does mean quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, it means any geometric, any shape, okay, with how many sides? With 4 sides. Okay, type square. The square has 4 equal sides plus 4 right angle. If I say only 4 right angle, it will not be the right answer, because the rectangle also has 3 or 4 right angle. Okay, or we can say that for the square, the two diagonals are what? This is the first one, and this is the second one. Do you know the properties of the diagonal, yeah, rather than the square? Okay, the diagonal, yeah, are perpendicular, bisect each other. Do you know what does mean bisect each other?
Yes.
Okay, what does mean bisect each other?
Like they cross each other.
Okay, but in what? In the midpoints. Okay, so, and also the diagonal are equal. So they are equal, perpendicular, bisect each other. Okay, And of course, they are bisector for these angles, the force angles. It means this one يا رغد is equal to 45 degree. Also, the second one equal to 45 degree. Okay?
Okay.
Type. So, now it's about perimeter. We know that this is very important, of course, even if we take a lot of time to solve this question. What about perimeter and what about area? This is the perimeter and this is the area. Okay? Let's start by, for example, the triangle. This is the triangle, okay? The perimeter of triangle, ya Ragad, is equal to what? Any triangle, of course. When I say any triangle, it means not isosceles or equilateral or semi-equilateral or right angle or right isosceles. Okay? The perimeter of triangle
It's
is what?
Three times the side.
No, not 3 times. Okay, for equilateral, صح. For equilateral triangle, it's 3 times the side. But for any triangle, it's side S1, let's say S1 plus S2 plus S3. Okay? The area, because we will need a lot of formula in our questions here. The perimeter and the area of triangle, of square, of rectangle, of trapezoid, of a circle. Okay, so we will make like 4 or 5 formula here, and we should memorize all the rules. Okay, so the area of the triangle is equal to what, ya Ragad?
Half base times height.
Excellent, mashallah. Base times divided by what? Divided by 2. Okay, type. For the square?
Square perimeter 4 multiplied by side.
Excellent, mashallah. So 4 times side. And for the area?
The area is the side squared.
Mashallah. Side square. Type. So, of course, I will continue for the palm and for rectangle and for trapezoid and also for the circle. But before that, we will solve this question. So now in this question, Ya Ragad, we talk about the perimeter. Okay, so the perimeter for the given say that the equilateral triangle has the same perimeter as a square. Okay, type. Give me the perimeter of the square of the triangle, equilateral triangle. Okay, equals to what, the perimeter?
140, 36.
Again, 136?
No, 36.
Okay, 36. Why 36?
Because 12 plus 12 plus 12.
Excellent. Let me see the others if they have any questions. Jude, Ragad, Miftah, also Mishari is here. Okay.
Mr. Miftah is me, so yeah, I can't change it actually.
What?
Miftah is me.
Yahya?
Yes.
Okay, Yahya. طيب. The next question, Yahya. Okay. Yalla, Ragad. So this is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. For the square, the perimeter is equal to what?
X, 4x.
4x, not x squared. Excellent. So 4x. Type. This is the perimeter of what? Of the equilateral triangle, and this the perimeter of the square. In the given, they say that the perimeter of equilateral triangle are the same as what? As the square. So I should write that P1 equals to P2. So implies what, Ya Ragad?
4x equals 36.
4x equals 36. So 4x equal 36 and x equal to what?
9.
Excellent. Okay. هلا there is another method, for example, to find the answer يا رغد. We can, for example, start by A. يعني let x equal to 9. Then find the perimeter of the square. And the final step, we'll compare our answer with what? With the answer of the parameter of equilateral. Yani for example, if I say that thank you Ragad, thank you, mashallah. Let x ya Yahya, for example, equal to 9. Okay, the definition of x in the given, x is the side of the square. Great. So the perimeter of the square is equal to what? 4x, which is mean 4 times 9 equals to what? To 36 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the square in case of what? In the case of if x equal to what? To 9 centimeter. Now I will compare my answer with what? With the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. The equilateral triangle with side 12 centimeter. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 12 plus 12 plus 12. So this is the answer will be 36. 36, the same answer that I already have. So the first one is our right answer. هلا if, for example, يا يحيى, if يا جود, it's not the right answer A, we will move to B, then to C, then pay attention here. So if A is not the right answer, you will move to B, then to C, then to D. But if D is not the right answer, I will not verify the answer for E, because definitely E will be the right answer, because from the given we say that one of the 5 for the 5th multiple choices are the right answer. So if it is not A or B or C or D, definitely our answer will be E. Okay? Any questions?
So, Mr. The answer is 9, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah. For the other example, question number 3. يلا يحيى. يحيى.
Yes, Mr.
يلا. Start by number 3.
Do you want me to read it?
يلا read the given, the question.
Some shapes are drawn on a piece of paper. The teacher
Okay, wait. يحيى. Wait.
Hello.
When you want to read any question, we need to read the question carefully. It means expression by expression, sentence by sentence. So here we write the first one, okay, to the point here of paper. That's it. Then we will move to the second one. Then you will move to the question or to the third one. It's depend on the given. Don't read directly or quickly the question. Okay, we need to take it step by step. Okay, Yahya.
Okay.
Yalla.
Okay.
Again.
Some shapes are drawn on a piece of paper.
Okay. Yalla.
The teacher folded the left-hand side of the paper over the thick line.
Excellent. So we have two paper with the same, approximately the same shape, with only one, maybe one or two difference. It depends on the question. The question is what? How many Yahya? How many what?
How many of the shapes on the left-hand side will fit exactly on top of the shape on the right-hand side?
So the key word here is what, Yahya?
Will fit exactly on the top.
تماما. So will fit exactly on top of a shape on the right hand side. Okay, so now we will look to the figure, to the shape. Okay, let's start by the first one, then the second, then the third, then the fourth one, and then the last one. How many? يحيى.
Yes, Mr.
يلا.
يلا what?
يلا what? Find the answer. And of course, we will always say why, not it's A or B or C or D. No, you will say A or B or C with explanation.
So you want me to find the answer?
Yes. You need to compare both of sides.
What do you mean by
Starting
that?
from the first row to the last one.
I did not understand the question.
Okay, I have two. For example, you have here in a row and also on a row here. Here you have a triangle, and here you have a triangle. Here you have also in a row, but it's going down. Two circle and to another triangle. Okay. This line is like a symmetric. Do you know what does mean symmetric? Yahya.
Yes.
What does mean symmetric?
Symmetric, like long or straight line?
No, not straight line.
No, actually, sorry.
Okay, for example, let's give me an example. If I have, for example, a line here, okay, this is the line, and I take a point here. Okay. If I say find, pay attention, find A prime, the symmetric of A with respect of the line L, for example. A prime, it means the image of the point A. Okay, so what does mean symmetric, for example? You will take from A perpendicular line, okay, perpendicular line like that to L, then you will take the same distance to the other side, here, for example. Okay, so this one is A prime. Okay, the distance from A to the line L is equal to the distance from A to the line to A prime to the line L. Okay, we say that A and A prime, ya Yahya, are equidistant from the line L. Okay, so A prime is the symmetric of A with respect of what? Of the line L. Understood, ya Yahya?
Yes.
Okay. Another thing, for example, if I have another line here, and I draw, for example, circle like that, and I say, draw another circle, okay, so that what? Such that what? When I say such that or so that, it means the condition is what? The circle, for example, if this circle is C, okay, and I want to draw the image of the circle C, which is C prime, okay, by symmetric. You will take the center of the circle, the same that you do with what? With A, with perpendicular line here, for example. Okay. You will find the length of the red line. You will do the same thing from the other side. This is, for example, ya Yahya, ya Jud, ya Ragad, O prime, the image of what? Of O by symmetric. Then I will draw the circle, okay, Yahya, with the same radius. For example, if the radius of this one is 2 centimeter, okay, I will write this one, I will draw this one by also 2 centimeter. Okay, so now I will say what, Yahya, that C and C prime are symmetric with respect to the line, for example, L. If we go back to our figure, I want to know how many figures, okay, will fill exactly on top of the shape. Yani, for example, here, this one, the distance between this one and the red line is what, ya Yahya?
2 blocks.
2, excellent. And the other side,
2 blocks.
Okay. So this is the same one, okay? صح؟ يحيى, the same distance between them. طيب, if we move to the triangle, if you move to the triangle, the distance to the, for example, to the orange line, how many blocks, how many units, how many boxes? Yahya.
I thought I was talking, sorry, but the mic was mute.
Ah, okay. So, how many boxes from the triangle to the orange line?
3 blocks.
Okay, 3 blocks. So it's okay for the first one. It's okay for the second one. Now, for the third, yellow.
1 block.
Okay, 2 blocks or 1 block?
Both.
Okay. So it's the same one or no?
Same.
The same distance. Okay?
Yes.
Yahya?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, for what? For the third, the last one.
The last one?
The four, no. For the circle, yes.
The circle, it's not the same. The first one has 4 block difference. The second one has 3 block difference.
So this is not our choice. The last one.
It's 1 block difference but it's هذا. It's مقلوبة يعني.
Okay.
يعني.
So yes or no?
No.
No. So how many of the shapes on the left hand side will fit exactly on the top of the shape of the right hand side? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and also what? 3. So the answer is what, ya Yahya?
3, Mr.
Okay. Any questions?
No. Mr. But sorry,
Yes.
can you give me a second? Someone needs me.
Second what?
Can you give me a second? I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, okay, يا يحيى, يلا. طيب. So now, Mishari?
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
Should the numbers of the blocks should be equal?
Yes, because you need to have the same distance from the, for example, from the shape for the circle of triangle of this one, okay, and what, and this line, okay. If, for example, the distance, if I fill this paper, okay, to the other side, this one here will be there. So I will not have the same, the two circle at the same place. But for example, for this one, it's okay. For that one, it's okay. For that one, it's okay. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Hala. You can take an example. For example, if you have a paper, take a paper for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 10, for example, 10 box, 10 units. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 and 5, and draw the 4 or the 5 figure in your paper. Okay, then try to do the same example like that. You will see that only 3 of the 5 shapes we will have exactly on the top of shape from the side and from the left hand side and from the left right side. Okay, this is Jude or Ragad?
Jude.
Yeah. Okay, next one, number 4. Yeah, number 4. Ahmed, are you with me, Ahmed? Mishari?
Mr. Ahmed, he didn't connect his mic
okay.
because it's not shown on him.
okay. طيب. Jude.
Hello, Mr.
Hello, Ahmed. How are you today?
No, I'm Mishari, not Ahmed.
مشاري. Okay.
Yes.
مشاري. يلا. مشاري.
Yes.
Ahmed bin Shalhoub. Okay, Allah. So, Mishari, yalla, let's read the questions step by step. Okay?
Okay.
يلا. Hibatullah.
Hibatullah needs a table of size 2 by 1 according to the number of participants in a meeting.
Okay. What does mean that? What does mean that, yeah, Mishari? 2 by 1 of size 2 by 1.
Yeah. So one side is 2 and one side is 1.
Excellent. It's about, so for this is a rectangle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
A table like rectangle like that. With what? With 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter. 2
Yes.
and 1. Yeah. The diagram.
The diagram shows show a top view of the tables arrangement for a small, medium, and large meeting.
Excellent.
How many tables are used for the large meeting?
So this is a small meeting, and we use how many tables here?
We used 4.
Okay. The next one.
We use 6 in the next one.
Okay.
And then 7.
1,
We could
2, 3. لحظة. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, 8.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
The first one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the first table. This is the second table. This is the third one. This is the last one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally 8. So for the small meeting, we already use 4 tables. For the medium meeting, we use 8 tables, of course, of size 2 by 1. Okay, now in the large meeting, I need to know how many tables I'm gonna use.
Okay. Can we use ratios, Mr.?
You can use whatever you want. Just write method. It's not about, for example, to have only one way to solve the questions. No, just the right rules. Okay, yalla.
Okay. Could we use like 5, like as we see, Mr. When the 3 there is 4 tables, and when 5 there is 8 table. So could it be that when 7 be like a 12 as
طيب. How we get 12? How we find 12? Give me a reason that I say, okay, it's 12.
This I don't have, Mr. But يعني with like مثل نمط, Mr. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and when we see here 4 plus 4
9.
8. Okay, so 8 plus 4 will equal 12.
No, again, repeat it again.
As we see, Mr., when the table, when there are 3, the side is 3, there will be 4 tables, right?
Okay.
So and then when the table is when the side is 5, so plus 2, the table will be 8.
5 plus 2, 7.
Yeah, when the side becomes 3, when becomes when the side is 5, it will increase by 2. Okay.
Okay.
And when 5 increased by 2 is 7. And then as the tables, and left it is 4, and then the 8 and the right it will be 8 when it's 5. So it will be when 7 should be increased by 4 as it يعني like a diagram, but I'm not sure, Mr.
Okay. طيب. Any other جود رغد يحيى؟
No, thank you.
يلا. Does anyone have any answer? Any explanation of how many triangles or how many rectangles should I use for the large meeting?
Hello, Mr. Can you hear me?
Yes, Ahmed, I can hear you.
Mr. I think it's 12.
Why? It's not
Because
about as I say in the first when we start. It's not about give me directly the answer without any explanation. You need to explain. Yes. It's always about why. Yalla, Ahmed.
Yes, Mr. Because when we was in 3, we was only 4 tables. When we are with 5, we add 4 tables also.
So for 3, for 3 I have 4 tables, and when we have 5, I will have how many tables?
8.
Okay.
With 7 it should be 4. We add 4.
7. So
12. See.
12. Type. Because here from 4 to 8, from 4 to 8, I am adding 4 tables. And also from 3 to 5,
2.
Okay, 2. From 5 to 7, it's also, so from 3 to 5, it's 2. From 5 to 7, it's also 2. So what? So from 4 to 8, it's 4. So from 8 to my answer, it's also be adding 4. So 8 plus 4 equals to what? Equals to 12. Okay?
That's what I meant.
Yes,
Mr.
I know. صح. Excellent. Okay, any questions? يحيى، رغد، جود، مفتاح، أحمد. مفتاح لنا يحيى.
مفتاح يحيى مستر الله يهديك.
مستر. Change your name, okay?
How?
For the next time. I think when when you want to join the meeting, they will say write your name. You can change it, I think, or edit your name before you join to our meeting, okay? For the next time.
مستر عارف اسم مفتاح مستر؟
What?
My name is مفتاح because I'm مفتاح لكل الحلول يا مستر.
طيب اوكي. طيب. يلا. Let's move to next one. Yalla, this is number 4. So, yalla, who want to solve this question? Yalla, come on. Jude, Ragad. Yalla, Jude, can you start again with you?
Okay. A square of numbers is taken out from a multiplication table. Only one number is visible. The integers x and y are both positive, and x is larger than y. What is the value of x?
Yalla. Read carefully the given again, Yajud. Yalla, together. A square of numbers is taken out from a multiplication table. So this is a multiplication table. What does mean that, Jude? It means I will multiply y by x and y by x plus 1. And the answer will be here. For example, y times x, the answer will be here. Then y times x plus 1, the answer will be in the next box. Then, Yajud, for y plus 1 times x, your answer will be here. And finally, and the most important thing is here. If I multiply this one by that one, I will have 77. Okay? So what? So x plus 1 times y plus 1 equals to what? Equal to 77. Any question about this part? So again, this is square of table of multiplication. Okay, you will multiply the horizontal with the vertical, and you will have the answer in the intersection of both line. Okay, so x times y is equal here. Y times x plus 1, the answer is here. Y plus 1 times x, the answer is here. And finally, y plus 1 times x plus 1 equal to 77. Any questions about this part?
No.
Okay, any questions? طيب, يلا Jude, can you expand this part? Do you know what does mean expand? Remove the parentheses, okay? Remove the parentheses here. So, we will use the method of FOIL. Do you know the method of FOIL?
Yes.
Yes, يلا.
X multiplied by y.
Okay, so xy. Then?
X multiplied by 1.
It's x.
And 1 multiplied by y.
Excellent.
And 1 multiplied by 1.
Okay. Equals to what?
1.
No, equal to 77. Okay. Type. So I can write it now x, y plus x plus y equals to what? Equal to 77 minus 1, which is equal to 76. Okay? That's it. This is the first part, Yajud. I only explain the first expression, that this is a square of number that taken out from a table of multiplication. Okay? Any question for this part? Jude, Ragad, Yahya, Ahmad?
No.
Okay, طيب. They say that only one number is visible, which is 77. Yeah. Read now the last part before we read the questions. The what? The what?
The integers, x
Again.
and y.
Okay, what does mean this word? Yeah, Jude.
Symbols maybe. Numbers.
Numbers of what? Read again.
Mister.
Wait, Yahya, wait, please. Jude, read this part again.
The integers x and y are both positive, and x is larger
Excellent.
than.
Integers, it means what? Integers, that means what?
X and y.
Okay. For example, can x be, for example, 1.2?
No.
1.2 is a decimal number. صح? So it can be, for example, a decimal number. Only what, yeah, Jude? Only what? Only what, yeah, Jude? This word is what? Okay, it means without dot. Okay, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or -1, -2, -3, -4, 4, -5. But in this question, he said that both of them are what? Are positive, which is mean now that x and y, both of them are positive. Okay? Plus x is greater than y. So I have two conditions. I will not accept any decimal number, and when I have the answer, x must be greater than, strictly greater than what? Than y. So this is the first one. Maybe 3 also. This is the second one. And this is the third one. Okay, type. Here, for example, in this case, Yajud, Ragad, Yahya, and Ahmad, I need to what? I need to try from the first to the last. I will start by A, then B, then C, then D, then E. So let's start by A. If x equal to 6, yellow, x equal to 6, it will be 6y plus 6 plus y equal to 76. Okay? This case is what? When x equal to what? To 6. So 6y plus 6 plus y equal to 76. 6y plus y, it's 7y, equals to what? 76 minus 6 is 70. Now, y will be equal to 70 over 7, which is equal to 10. Type. So I have now an answer. If x equal to 6, y equal to 10. Type. Both of them are what? Are what, Yajud?
Are integers.
Oh, okay. Are integers, and both of them are positive. But do I have x greater than, strictly greater than y? X is the greater than y. Is 6 greater than 10?
No.
No. So this is not our answer. I will move to B. B with what? 7. Yalla, let's write here. 7y plus 7 plus y equals to 76. So it's 8y equal to 76 minus 7. Okay, 69. So 8 or y will be equal 69 over 8. And of course, now this is very important here, yeah, Jude. 69 over 8 is not what, yeah, Jude, is not what?
It's not an integer.
صح. It's not an integer's number. So also the number 7 are not our best or right answer. I will move to the number 8. Number 8. Yellow. 8y plus 8 plus y equals to 76. So 9y equal to 68 and y equal to 68 over 9, which is not our right answer also, because what, Yajud? 68 over 9 is not what? An integer numbers. صح? So this is not our answer. Now I want to move to number 10. Replace x by 10. So it's 10y plus 10 plus y equals to 76. 10y plus y, 11y equals to what? 10, 76 minus 10, it's 66. So y equals to 66 over 11. So y equals 6. Now I have what, Yajud? I have what? I have what, Yajud?
An integer.
Excellent. Now I need to figure out if it is positive and if x is greater than y. 6 is positive. Also 10 is positive. So till now the answer is acceptable. Now x greater than, strictly greater than y or no? 10
Yes.
greater than 6 or no?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the right answer. Okay. And this is the last question for today. Any question for this example? Maybe we'll do it again quickly tomorrow. Okay, because this is very important. The method that we solve this question by justifying choices by choice choice by choice to find our right answer or our correct answer. Okay? Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe inshallah we'll see you tomorrow. We will do that again. If you can for tomorrow, maybe you can, for example, solve this one. It's not a homework, but try to solve number 6. Okay? Just number 6 for today. Okay? For tomorrow, inshallah.
Inshallah.
We'll see you tomorrow, inshallah.
You can't see us.
Salam alaikum. Have a nice day.